हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग करने वाले हैं डीएवी क्लास 7 साइंस चैप्टर 14 फैब्रिक फ्रॉम फाइबर का समथिंग टू नो का ABCDE पार्ट। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला है ए पार्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। First, the hairy body coat of sheep and goat is called fleece. Second, shaving of the body coat of sheep is called shearing. Third, cleaning of fleece to remove dirt and grease is called scouring. Fourth, the process of separating hair of different textures from the fleece is called sorting. Fifth, the rearing of silkworm to obtain silk is called sericulture. Sixth, reeling is the process of separating silk fiber from cocoon. Seventh, the silk thread is made up of protein. Part B, write true or false for the following statements. First, synthetic fiber are manufactured in factories. True. Second, air is a good conductor of heat. False. Third, scouring is the process of removal of fleece of sheep. False. Fourth, the process of twisting of raw and dyed fiber is known as sorting. False. Fifth, silkworm feed on mulberry leaves. True. Sixth, the larvae secrete very fine filaments made up of protein. True. Seventh, reeling is the process of getting silk fiber from cocoon. True. Part C, tick the correct option. First, the process of removing fleece along with a very thin layer of dead skin of sheep is called shearing. Second, which of the following animals does not yield wool? Buffalo. Third, the caterpillar of silkworm feed on mulberry leaves. Fourth, the egg of a silk moth hatches into a caterpillar. Fifth, the process of taking out silk thread from the cocoon is called reeling. Part D, answer the following question in brief. First, name 3 animals whose fleece is used for making woolen fibers. Answer, 3 animals whose fleece is used for making woolen fiber are sheep, goat and camel. Second, name 3 common varieties of wool. Answer, 3 common varieties of wool are Angora, Pashmina, Shahtosh. Third, give the meaning of term sorting. Answer, the process of separating hair of different textures from the fleece. Fourth, define the term sericulture. Answer, the process of rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk. Fifth, how is silk fiber obtained from cocoon? Answer, silk fiber is obtained from cocoon by the process of reeling in which cocoon are exposed to steam and then silk fiber are separate out. Sixth, name 2 countries in which silk is produced on a large scale. Answer, 2 countries in which silk is produced on a large scale, China and India. Part E, answer the following question. First, how do woolen cloth keep us warm in winter? Answer, it is because wool traps air. Since air is a poor conductor of heat, it does not allow our body heat to escape. This keeps our body warm during winters. Second, describe the purpose of scouring in the production of wool. Answer, the purpose of scouring is to remove dirt and grease present in the sheared fleece by washing it in hot water and detergent. Third, the practical use of the A long B short yarn thread obtaining during the making of wool. Answer, the longer thread are usually knitted to make sweaters, mufflers, caps, gloves, socks, etc. The shorter threads are woven to make woolen fabric which are used for making coats, trousers, jackets and shawls, etc. Fourth, write a short note on rearing of silkworms. Answer, rearing of silkworms. A female silk moth lays hundreds of egg which are stored at a suitable temperature. These eggs produce silkworm which feed on fresh mulberry leaves for 25 to 30 days, grow in size. They secrete a liquid which hardens on coming in contact with air and change into fine thread called silk, which is made up of a protein. This caterpillar covers itself completely with these fine fibers. This covering is called as cocoon. The silkworm develops into a silk moth inside the cocoon. Fifth, describe the different stages in the life cycle of a silk moth. Answer. Different stages in the life cycle of a silk moth are: Stage 1. Eggs. An egg is the first stage of the life cycle of the silk moth. A female moth lays egg. Stage 2. Silkworms. Silkworms arise from the eggs. They feed on mulberry leaves for 25 to 30 days. Stage 3. Cocoon. Silkworms secrete a liquid which hardens on coming in contact with air and change into fine thread called silk. Silkworms cover itself with these threads, change into a silk moth inside it. Stage 4. Moth. The female moth lays egg and thus the life cycle of silkworms begins अगेन। मेरी आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। धन्यवाद।